Today we are gonna fix WhatsApp avatar not working problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is to update WhatsApp and then restart our device. This solution is recommended by WhatsApp officials. To do this, we open the Play Store and if we need to update WhatsApp, we update it. We have updated WhatsApp. Now, we will restart our device. After restarting your device, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the second solution. Second solution is to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp after clearing the cache files. To clear the cache files, we open Settings. Scroll down and click on Apps. Then, we click on Manage Apps. And type WhatsApp in the search bar. After that, we click on Storage. Then, we click on Clear Data. And then on Clear Cache, we click OK to confirm. After doing this, we go back to the previous page and click on Uninstall and then OK. We have removed WhatsApp from our device. Now, we open Play Store to download WhatsApp again. We click on the search bar and type WhatsApp. After that, we click on Install. We have installed WhatsApp. Before opening WhatsApp, there are two features we need to check. To check these two features, we press and hold WhatsApp, then click on App Info. Scroll down and click on Restrict Data Usage and make sure that Wi-Fi and mobile data are selected. After that, we click on Battery Saver and then click on No Restrictions. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If this solution didn't work, you can try downloading an older version of WhatsApp or using a VPN. However, if the problem is due to an issue with WhatsApp servers, we have no choice but to wait for a new update. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.